Hi, in front of me I have Garmin Vivomove Sport, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by double tapping on the screen. Like this. After you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen to open the menu. Now, you can swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the menu. Find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, again, swipe left or right to scroll through the menu. Find the language icon. It's quite at the end, right here, third option from the right. It looks like a globe. Tap on it. And here we can basically change the language. We can scroll through the list by tapping on the arrows. Now find the language you like to use and tap on it to select it. Like this. And now the language should change. So if I open something like maybe brightness, you can see the language changed. Okay. You can also change the language via the Garmin Connect app if your watch is connected to your phone or rather paired with your phone. So let's bring our phone right here. On our phone, let's open the Garmin Connect application. In the app, you should see this icon right here. That's the Garmin Vivomove Sport icon. Tap on it to open the device page. On this page, scroll down, tap on General, then tap on Language, and here select the language you like to use. For example, I'm gonna select maybe English American. And once you select the language, go back to the device page. It should say that the changes were saved. And after that, the watch will start syncing with your phone. You can tell by this icon rotating. Once it's done, the language should change. So let's wait a couple of seconds. Okay, now let's wake up the screen on our watch. Open the menu. And as you can see, it's back to English. So the language changed. Okay. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.